Why deal with the hassle of bidding wars, costly updates, and unexpected repairs? Skip the stress and step into a brand new, never lived in home with Heller Homes. Welcome to the Alexa 2 floor plan in Silverstone, a beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offering 1,494 square feet of modern, open-concept living. From the moment you walk in, you'll love the 9-foot ceilings in the foyer, great room, kitchen, and nook, creating a bright and spacious atmosphere. The Gourmet Kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring soft-close cabinetry, a corner walk-in pantry, and a massive 7-foot island with bar seating, perfect for entertaining. Plus, an appliance allowance is included so you can choose the finishes that fit your style. The master suite is your private retreat, complete with a double vanity, walk-in closet, and plenty of natural light. 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Outside, you'll find a finished 2-car garage and a freshly sodded yard, making this home truly move-in ready. And with Heller Homes, peace of mind comes standard, thanks to a comprehensive 1-year and 10-year new home warranty. Skip the stress and start fresh. Your dream home is waiting at Heller Homes. Call Jim Owen for all the details.